To witness a truly magnificent view, you climb step by step to the peak. Achieving a top IELTS band score, like 9, follows a similar path. The journey starts with building a strong foundation. Take your first confident steps with My IELTS preparation course, published by Education Publishing. Our 4 levels, specifically designed for learners from band 3.5 to 5.5, equivalent to A2 to B1 CEFR, provide essential knowledge and skills to begin your IELTS journey the right way. My IELTS preparation course features a user-friendly 2-in-1 book format for each level, integrating the student's book and workbook. Inside each of these split books, you'll find 5 topic-based units, making it easier to access focused and comprehensive learning. All levels of My IELTS preparation course have a recommended course duration of 90 to 120 hours. With My IELTS preparation course, you'll navigate common IELTS topics with the clear content map, strengthen your understanding through targeted vocabulary revision at the start of each topic. The language focus features related exercises of topic-related vocabulary and common grammatical structures in order to enable learners to reinforce their knowledge and boost your speaking confidence with integrated pronunciation practice. To excel in the speaking section, My IELTS preparation course offers dedicated speaking practice to reinforce the target language, provides extra exercises that apply this language to both mocked exam questions and real-life communication scenarios, includes thorough exam practice to familiarize students with the actual test format. To master the reading section with My IELTS preparation course through a helpful exam briefing, relevant passages on common topics designed to build your reading strategies and comprehension, targeted follow-up questions to familiarize you with IELTS question types, and valuable exam tips for improving reading comprehension. My IELTS preparation course also carefully designs its listening practice with a thorough exam briefing, includes a dedicated language focus section to prepare you for the listening exercises that follow, and provides realistic listening exam practice to give you the opportunity to experience each distinct part of the actual listening test, along with useful tips to boost your listening comprehension skills. Similarly, Writing Focus 1 and 2 delivers step-by-step guidance for IELTS, Writing Task 1 and Task 2, covering task analysis, language inputs, and hands-on exercises to ensure comprehensive preparation. To develop crucial test-taking skills with the Exam Focus feature in My IELTS preparation course. This mini real-life test provides targeted practice for different parts of the IELTS exam, ensuring comprehensive preparation as it rotates its emphasis across the 4 essential skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. With My IELTS preparation course, you won't just learn the theory, you'll also see it in action. We provide sample answers for the speaking and writing tasks. These model responses offer practical guidance, showing you effective structures, vocabulary, and techniques to apply in your own test. The My IELTS preparation course workbook mirrors each unit in the student's book, offering parallel activities. This integrated approach provides essential additional practice on target language, skills, test-taking strategies, and self-study for the IELTS exam. Alongside the comprehensive print materials, My IELTS preparation course provides a complete range of digital core components designed to enhance your learning experience, including convenient E2-in-1 books with audio for flexible study, audio scripts for easy reference, e-teachers books providing instructor support, digital classroom resources, DCR, for interactive learning, writing and speaking suggested answers for student guidance, online practice tests with instant feedback, automatic answer checking, and teacher progress reports. This comprehensive digital support ensures you have all the tools you need for IELTS success. Ready to start your IELTS journey? Find everything you need at eduhome.io. My IELTS preparation course is not simply a book with fruitful learning resources, but a solid stepping stone to ace your IELTS target.